Hello guys, today we're going to talk about Russell Kirsch, which is the developer of the very first digital email. He started the rise of the digital world, yet decades later he looks back and calls it something very foolish, not because it was irrational, but then it closed people's imagination to other possibilities. That's why he smoothed it out. Instead of square pixels, he proposed that most of the pixels in a typical picture are similar to those neighbors. What really matters are the differences, the edges, the transition, and the unexpected parts. Now look at this 176 versus 176 video of Smurfs dancing in the IG.
You got me jumping like